Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best shoe protector is probably one of the most essential investments for anyone who cherishes their footwear, offering an invisible shield against unexpected spills, rain, and everyday grime, ensuring your favorite sneakers, boots, or dress shoes maintain their pristine condition and extend their lifespan, saving you money and heartache from premature wear and tear. Number 5. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. Tired of dull, dirty shoes? This kit is your ultimate solution for bringing them back to life. It's designed to make your footwear look brand new again. Whether you have fabric, leather, suede, or nubuck, it handles them all. You can trust it to safely and effectively clean a wide range of shoe types. From your crisp white sneakers to your favorite colored pairs, it delivers exceptional results. This cleaner is perfect for keeping all your athletic shoes pristine. Each kit comes complete with a bottle of powerful cleaner and a brush. This makes the cleaning process simple and convenient, right out of the box. Watch as it effortlessly lifts away dirt and grime, revealing the original beauty of your shoes. Experience the miracle of perfectly clean footwear with every use. What we like. This offers a complete cleaning solution, not just protection. It's a versatile kit for various materials, coming with a brush for thorough application. If you're looking for an all-in-one cleaning and restoration solution for your shoes, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Crep Protect Shoe Protector Spray. Introducing the ultimate defense for your footwear. This innovative spray creates an invisible barrier, shielding your shoes from the elements. Never worry about unexpected downpours again. It provides superior waterproofing, keeping your sneakers dry and pristine. Say goodbye to unsightly marks and spills. This powerful formula repels common stains, preserving the fresh look of your favorite pairs. Powered by cutting-edge nanotechnology, it forms a breathable, protective layer. This ensures long-lasting effectiveness without compromising material integrity. Whether you have sneakers, leather, nubuck, suede, or canvas, it's designed for universal application. Protect your entire shoe collection with one simple solution. What we like. This spray utilizes advanced nanotechnology for superior protection. It creates an invisible barrier, making your shoes highly resistant to rain and stains. If you need cutting-edge, long-lasting waterproof and stain protection for your valuable sneakers, this is your go-to. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 3. Markk Shoe and Sneaker Protector Repel Spray. Introducing the ultimate defense for your footwear. This innovative spray creates an invisible barrier, keeping your shoes looking fresh and new. Say goodbye to water damage and unsightly stains. It effectively repels liquids and prevents dirt from adhering to your beloved sneakers and shoes. This protector is a non-aerosol spray, making it safer for both you and the environment. Its gentle yet powerful formula ensures peace of mind with every application. No matter the material, this spray has you covered. It's safe and effective for leather, suede, nubuck, cotton, and even delicate knits. Simply spray it on for long-lasting protection. Give your favorite footwear the care it deserves and extend its lifespan with ease. What we like. This protector stands out with its non-aerosol formula, making it a safer choice for both your shoes and the environment. It's also gentle and effective on a wide range of materials. If you prioritize an eco-conscious and material-safe repellent for your diverse footwear collection, this is an ideal option. What people say. Number 2. Rust-Oleum NeverWet Boot and Shoe Water Repellent. This innovative repellent creates a powerful barrier against water. It effectively protects your boots and shoes from moisture damage, keeping them looking new. Its crystal clear, silicone-free formula ensures that your item's appearance remains exactly the same. You won't notice any change in their look or feel after application. Applying this repellent is incredibly simple. A single-step trigger spray makes the process quick and easy, so you can protect your footwear in no time. It's perfect for a wide range of materials, including leather, suede, nubuck, and canvas. You can trust it to safeguard various types of footwear and more. Depending on the fabric, a single can provide coverage for 20 to 60 square feet. This ensures you get ample protection for multiple pairs of shoes. What we like. This product boasts a crystal clear, silicone-free formula, ensuring it won't alter the appearance or feel of your shoes. Its single-step trigger spray makes application incredibly easy and mess-free. If you want effective water repellency without changing your shoes' aesthetic or texture, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This protector effectively repels water, preventing stains and keeping footwear dry. It creates an invisible barrier that helps maintain the original look of shoes. The spray is easy to apply and dries quickly without altering the material's appearance. Number 1. Repellent 8 or Shoe Protector Spray. Introducing the ultimate defense for your footwear. This innovative spray creates an invisible barrier, shielding your shoes from the elements. Don't let unexpected spills or sudden downpours ruin your favorite pair. It repels liquids and prevents unsightly marks, keeping them pristine. Applying it is a breeze, with its quick-drying formula. Plus, you can trust its gentle, chemical-free composition to protect your shoes without harm. Whether you have sneakers, suede, canvas, or light leather, this protector is designed for them all. It's even perfect for keeping your white shoes looking fresh. Enjoy extended peace of mind with its durable, long-lasting protection. Your shoes will stay cleaner and newer for much longer, reducing the need for frequent cleaning. What we like. This protector offers a quick-drying formula, allowing you to get back to wearing your shoes almost immediately. It's also formulated without harsh chemicals, making it a gentle yet effective option. If you need a fast-acting, chemical-free, and long-lasting protective barrier for your footwear, this product delivers. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.